So, you want to start drawing, but something's stopping you. Maybe you feel like you're just not talented enough, or you just don't know where to start. Or you're just scared that your drawings will look, bad. If this sounds like you, take a breath. Here's what you need to know. Firstly, art is a skill, not a talent. Drawing is not a talent you're born with, it's a skill that you can learn. Take this artist for example, it took him years to get from this to this. Secondly, progress over perfection. Most people quit art because they expect perfection too soon. But the real artists, the ones that you admire, got there by making hundreds of bad drawings. Thirdly, know your why. Before you even draw, ask yourself, why do you want to make art? Is it to express yourself, or to calm your mind, or maybe just for fun? Once you know your why, write it down. Put it somewhere you'll see often. This will encourage you when things get rough, trust me. So, now that you've realized these things, the next step is easy. In my channel, I'll be teaching you the basics you need to actually start drawing, from how to color to starting your first artwork. No pressure, no fancy supplies. But for now, take a deep breath. You've already started just by watching this. Subscribe if you're ready to take the first step. I'll be here with you every step of the way and we'll grow together.